Hello and welcome to this answer explanation video. In this video I'm going to cover the answers to the mixed numbers to improper fractions year 5 worksheet. I'll go through each of the questions individually, modelling how to find the answers, and cover some of the things you may have found a little bit tricky. Question 1. Convert the mixed numbers to improper fractions and use the symbols to complete the comparison statements. So on your sheet you've been given 2 mixed numbers and 2 improper fractions. What we need to do is convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions in order to compare them with the improper fractions on the right. So if we look at the first one, we've got 3 3/4. So what we need to do is work out what 3 3/4 is as an improper fraction. And we can do this in 2 ways. You can either count the individual segments of the shapes, or we can multiply the denominator by the integer and then add to the numerator. So if we were to do that, we could do 3 times 4, which gives us 12, and then 12 add 3 gives us 15. So that's 15 quarters. So 3 3/4 is the same as 15 quarters. And we can use our image to check. So if we count each individual segment, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We can see we've got that correct. So now we need to compare 15 quarters to 14 quarters. Because the numerator is greater on this one, 15 quarters is greater than 14 quarters. So if we move on to 5 4/7, we can do the same thing again. We can either count the segments of our shapes, or we can multiply the denominator by the integer and then add that to the current numerator. So if we were to do 7 times 5, that would give us 35, and then 35 add 4 is 39. So we've got 39/7. To check, I'm going to use the picture. So if I count each individual section, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And then we count the remainder, 36, 37, 38, 39. So that is correct. So now we can compare 39/7 to 59/7. 39/7 is less than 59/7. So that symbol goes there. Question 2. Identify the missing numbers. On your sheet you've been given a mixed number and an improper fraction, and some of the denominators and numerators have been blotted out. So we need to work out what those missing numbers are. We've got 4 and 5 somethings is equal to something 6. That tells me that the denominator for this number must be 6. Because when you convert a mixed number into an improper fraction, you don't tend to change the denominator unless it's being simplified. And looking at the image we've got, it's out of 6, therefore the denominator must be 6. So now we know that we've got 4 and 5, 6 to convert into an improper fraction. So to do that, you can either count the individual sections on your sheet, or we can do 6 multiplied by 4, which is 24, add 5, which is 29. So A is 4 and 5/6 is equal to 29/6. Question B, we can apply the same logic again. We know that the denominator given in the improper fraction is 9, so it stands to reason that it should also be 9 in the mixed number. And if you look at your pictures, you can see that each of those circles is cut into 9 parts, so the denominator is 9. So we know we've got 5 and 3/9, and we have to make that into an improper fraction. So I'm going to multiply 5 and 9, which gives me 45. Add 3 is 48, to give me 48/9. And again, you can check your answer by counting each individual part on your sheet. Question 3. Raymond says, I think 3 7/8 equals 21/8. Is he correct? Explain your answer. So what you can do for this question is, again, you can use the pictorial support to help you, and you can count each individual segment of the circles that's been shaded and work out how many there are in total, or we can do the other method using multiplication. So I'm going to multiply the integer by the denominator, so I'm going to do 3 times 8. 3 times 8 gives me 24. Then I'm going to add 24, because it's 24 parts, to my numerator. So 24 add 7 equals 31. And that tells me that 3 and 7/8 is equal to 31/8. So Raymond is incorrect, because 3 and 7/8 is equal to 31/8, not 21/8. That was an answer explanation video on mixed numbers to improper fractions from Classroom Secrets. If you would like to watch the video tutorial that accompanies this step, please visit our website kids.classroomsecrets.co.uk. And if you would like any more resources that cover this step, please visit our sister website classroomsecrets.co.uk. Thank you for watching. See you soon!